Hello, people. I'm Ryan, and I have been hacking things my whole life. I got nothing for you tonight because I'm so exhausted. No, actually, I got something. So I have this micro torch. We're going to take a look at making some serious flames here in the hackLAB. And I'm also going to talk to you about why I started a Bitcoin factory or a Bitcoin farm, whatever you want to talk about, because Bitcoin is like trading at like $32,000 a share right now. Why in the world would I ever make a old PC Bitcoin factory? I'm going to explain that all coming up next. Okay, so the reason why we're going to open up this butane lighter here, the reason why I need this is Byron and I are going to make a second version of the color smoke video where we're actually going to make color smoke. Last time it was beautiful gray, just a gorgeous gray. Just absolutely gorgeous. So we need some serious flames. So I'm going to talk to you about the two topics, the two completely unrelated topics. This particular butane torch here and the Bitcoin factory. So let's go ahead and just get this thing opened up and then we'll do it. I just don't do unboxings. So figured I'd look at this. All right, here it is. All right, in order to fill it up, I have my butane here and I'm going to stick it in that little hole down at the bottom. And I'm just going to hold it. It says you're not supposed to breathe these vapors in. The can is getting extremely cold. And this is getting extremely cold. All right, so anyways, let me explain to you about the Bitcoin factory. I have a space heater in my garage. It does nothing for me. So I figured I had 4 old PCs. So I went on a website called nicehash.com, no affiliate. And basically what you do is you compute algorithms or internet computations for exchange for cryptocurrency, and then you exchange that for Bitcoin. I'm going to be building a little farm for a space heater, and I'm going to be doing that on Saturday. I'm going to talk to you all about that. But if you go to nicehash.com, you can set up an account and you can start farming with your own computer. I'm hearing you don't make much money. I'm going to find all that out. It sounds fascinating. Minimally, I love the dashboard of the cryptocurrency on nicehash.com. So once you create an account, no affiliate, just having fun here, you can see what I mean. So this is getting so cold right now, I'm stopping this. And now I talk to you about my little Bitcoin farm that I'm making. And now we're going to be firing this up. I'm going to turn this little dial here. And whoa! I have to turn it off. That's pretty cool. All right, guys, whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Peace out. Talk to you. Cannot wait to tell you more about my cryptocurrency farm. I hope it's illegal. I hope it's illegal. All right, take care. Bye. Love you.